guys, so I didn't vlog last night because we were really tired and we just went straight to bed. But this morning we are on our way to
the bird park.
Jurong Bird Park, I think it's called. I think that's how you pronounce it. So yeah, I think Dan will be taking a lot of photos this morning because he likes to photograph birds and wildlife. So hopefully it will be a good day and not too hot because the last few days have been really, really hot. So hopefully there's like a little cloud around today, but fingers crossed. Enclosure is so cool for the birds. This is our first stop and it's so big inside. I think the really good thing about the zoo and this park in Singapore, oh, bird just flew over my hand. I think the really good thing about the nature parks and zoos here is that they're really focused on conservation, and the enclosures are really quite big and really well done. Like, that you would think that they were kind of in their natural habitat, which is kind of nice because it's always sad to go to zoos where the enclosures are really small and you can tell that like the animals are very unhappy. So yeah, always good to hear that they're really focused on conservation. Yeah. We've totally got a massive lizard on the roof of this enclosure. It's freaking huge! This is another one of the enclosures. Pretty awesome.
Imagine how big, strong, and powerful the girls are. What do you need this, Junior? You're gonna want to make a fly back home. Ladies and gentlemen, Junior, excellent choice for hunting. Now in a short while, we're gonna watch the hunt. But before that, I'm gonna let the bird go up anywhere. There you go, he's chosen to go and land on.
we're back at the hotel now, and it was a really, really good trip to the bird park. The only thing was, I think if we were to do it again, we would probably go separately and not do a tour, because we found that it was really rushed and we just didn't get to photograph as much as we wanted to. And particularly for Dan, who was really hoping to get like a lot of photos for his portfolio, I don't think it was just enough time to get really the photos that he wanted. But yeah, next time if we come back, I think we'll just go by ourselves and spend a little bit more time there, because it's an absolutely beautiful park. So I definitely recommend it to everyone. This afternoon I think we're just going to maybe go to the casino tonight, hopefully, and yeah, not really sure what we're going to do in the meantime. Probably just go find some food, hopefully. So we're on an early morning walk this morning. I didn't vlog last night because we went to the casino and I wasn't allowed any camera equipment in there, so oh god, look at my lens fogging up. It's so humid out here. It is approximately 7 o'clock, so we've been up for about an hour already, and we're trying to find the Merlion Park, which I think is somewhere that way, so we can take some photos at sunrise, which should be in a few minutes. So yeah, I blame Dan for this early morning. You. Anyway, we generally struggle to get up for early mornings, but it's okay. We're gonna have to get used to it. Look at the fogging up. Yeah, the casino was really nice last night. Obviously we didn't really spend much money. I feel bad for spending like $10 in a casino usually and like losing $10. It makes me really sad, so we don't usually spend too much. It was just really to go in and have a look and yeah, check them out. We might do the same thing in Macau when we go to Hong Kong. Oh god, I'm struggling to even film right now. It's just so foggy. This is how humid it is even at this time in the morning. This is the Merlion Park today and it is virtually empty. The other day we came here and it was so packed. We could barely move. So it pays to get up early. Yep, so no one around except a few other photographers pretty much. Got some shots. Interesting poses as always. We got back from shooting the Merlion a little while ago and had some buffet breakfast at our hotel, and now we're going to go to Sentosa for the day, and we're not actually sure what we're doing at Sentosa, but hopefully it'll be fun. I don't think we're going to go to Universal Studios, but I think there's a lot of things to do over there from what I've heard, so yeah, we'll just see what happens.
My eyes, me
currently at the SEA Aquarium in Sentosa, or on Sentosa I should say. That's pretty cool so far. Apparently it's the world's largest aquarium from what I hear. I may have that wrong, but apparently it is.
When I close my eyes before going into Universium, I think about the moment we were hoping wouldn't end, because I never knew it was my imagination. I never wanted to say what I said, I just wanted an explanation. Never wanted.
So we just got out of the aquarium and that was really good. It was really not like a really big aquarium, I wouldn't say, even though it's supposed to be the world's biggest. Like, we got through it pretty quickly, but it was very big displays of like fish, very big, so that was cool to see. Hopefully you'll see in the photos anyway. He likes my watch. He likes your camera too. Just casually walking our butterflies around. Dan's got one on his camera. Yeah. Look at this. So we are at Marina Bay Sands at the observation deck. We were trying to be here at sunset and then that failed. So we're here at night and I think it's just as worth it being here because the view is pretty spectacular. And there's gardens by the bay down there. It's pretty awesome from the top. Our last night in Singapore, which is a bit sad. We don't really want to leave yet. But we'll be going to Hong Kong tomorrow and we'll have lots more photos to take there. I'm gonna miss Singapore.